So the question is given. You want the third question, isn't it? Third question चाहिए ना?
Sir, whole. So question number 7.
All the problems.
Yes, sir. They are a little bit difficult.
Okay. Exercise 3.7. Seventh bit. First problem see here. To solve the following pair of linear equations is given to you. The equations are given to you. The first one is px plus qy is equals to p minus q. Next, qx minus py. Qx minus py is equals to p plus q. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. These two equations you have to use and you have to solve for the x value. So here, what method can be used? What method can be used to solve these two equations? Substitution method if you try, it becomes very complicated. Substitution method try करने तो complicate हो सकता है. So don't try for the substitution method. Substitution method try करने तो then you are going to get a little bit complicated one. So here because x value expressing in terms of y value expressing in terms of b, this is here if you observe properly, px plus qy, this is a constant actually. It is a constant. So better you use the elimination method to solve this problem. So elimination method में क्या कर सकते हैं? What can be done? See here either p there, either q there. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here p there, either q. So इसको q p से multiply करो, तो p q हो जाएगा. इसको q से multiply करो, p q हो जाएगा. So दोनों terms, दोनों equations में coefficients same हो जाएगा. In the two equations, coefficients will be same. So now here, if you multiply this completely by the p, so first equation number 1 to be multiplied by p plus equation number 2 to be multiplied by q. So what do you write here? This should be multiplied by q means p square x plus pq by p into p minus q. First equation is multiplied by p. Second equation is multiplied by q. So q square x minus pqy is equals to q into p plus q. दोनों को add कर रहे so don't change the sign. If you are adding 2, then you are not going to change the sign. These two cancel हो जाएंगे. So what you get here? P square plus q square into x is equals to. Here what you get? दोनों को add करना है. P into p minus q plus q into p plus q. So here, if you want to multiply here p square minus pq plus qp plus q square. So here pq will get cancelled. So what you get here? P square plus q square. P square plus q square. Here ये p square plus q square right side लेके जाओ. X is equals to p square plus q square by p square plus q square. So x is equals to 1. This x is equals to 1 you substitute in any one of the equation. इसमें और इसमें substitute कर लो. Substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 में substitute कर लो. So इसमें p x is equals to 1 आ गया है. तो p square plus सही है ना? Yes. So what do you get here? X is equals to 1. You substitute in the first equation. So p into 1 plus qy is equals to p minus q. So what do you get here? ये p take the right side. So what do you get here? qy is equals to p minus q minus p आ जाएगा. तो ये plus p minus p cancel होगा. So qy is equals to minus q, y is equals to minus q by q, so y is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1 is the solution of this equation. Whether it is right or wrong, how do you check? ये right या नहीं है कैसे check कर सकते हैं? How do you check?
So verification method.
इसमें substitute करो, p का place में 1 substitute करो, q का x का place में 1 substitute करो, p ये हो जाएगा. y का place में -1 substitute करो, -. So p minus q है, ये p minus q आ गया। इधर क्या है, q का प्लेस में, सॉरी x का प्लेस में 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते तो q आएगा, y का प्लेस में q plus p होगा, q plus p plus p both are same, so it is right। ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन if you go for second question, if you see in this, what is the question given here? Ax plus by is equals to c is the one equation. Next, bx plus ay is equals to 1 plus c is the second equation. Here also you need to do the same thing. इधर क्या करना है, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को a से मल्टीप्लाई, y एलिमिनेट करना चाहते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू एलिमिनेट द y, x वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a, सेकंड इक्वेशन टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय b एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है बिकॉज़ बोथ आर वैल्यू प्लस है। इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इनटू a माइनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 इनटू b, दिस इज so either a से multiply करो, what you get here, a square x plus aby is equals to ac। next, इधर b से multiply करो, b square x plus aby is equals to what, we are multiplying by the b, so b into 1 plus c, so we are subtracting, we should subtract it, so minus minus minus, so दोनों cancel हो गए, so what you get here, a square minus b square into x is equals to ac minus b into 1 plus c. So what do you get here? Is equals to ac minus b minus bc. So here what do you get here? You can write, you can keep it as it is, that value, and x is equals to what you get here, ac minus b minus bc by a square minus b square. And if you want here, so little bit change you can do it. See here, इधर AC भी इधर AC BC है, so दोनों से C कॉमन ले लो, तो A minus B हो जाएगा, C into A minus B minus B, but that doesn't matter here. If you take the x value, x is equals to C into A minus B by A square minus B square, x value, and ये इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना मुश्किल है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट कर ले तो पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। सो व्हाट टू डू इन दिस सिचुएशन, फर्स्ट इन x वैल्यू आने के लिए व्हाट यू डिड, टू गेट द x वैल्यू you are eliminated y, to get the y value eliminate x से eliminate करना है तो व्हाट टू डू, ये इधर b से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इधर a से मल्टीप्लाई करो, रिवर्स, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 to be multiplied by b minus equation number 2 to be multiplied by a, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को b से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो b से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो ab आ जाएगा, abx इधर b स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, b स्क्वायर by is equals to bc, is equals to bc। नेक्स्ट इधर a से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, abx and here a square plus a square by is equals to a से मल्टीप्लाई करो, a into 1 plus, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो माइनस ये माइनस होगा, ये दोनों कैंसिल, x से एलिमिनेट हो गया, अभी y आया है, तो y व्हाट इज हियर, b स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर into y is equals to bc minus a into 1 plus c। You can change this one into other form and you can keep it like that also, so you can write if you want y is equals to bc minus a into 1 plus c by b square minus a square, you can write, और ये b से ये मल्टीप्लाई करके c कॉमन लेके भी कर सकते हैं, that is up to your choice, it doesn't create a more difference, answer may be given to you in different way, but this can be the final answer, okay, समझ में आया? But
Yes, sir.
नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं ना आप लोग, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, पर ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करने में थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है प्रॉब्लम, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम आंसर, इफ If you substitute also, you are going to get the same answer. It is not going to give the different answer to you. Same answer आ जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes,
हाँ?
sir.
Yes. Next, let us go for the wait. I have not taken the attendance, and 19 students are there. So very good strength I am finding. So let me click on attendance.
Good morning, sir.
अभी आया कोई? Who?
Yes, sir. Vedika Mishra.
Okay, Vedika, your attendance is not done. So let me note your attendance. So those who are joining little bit late, you please tell me. Now इसके
Sir,
बाद
me.
कोई ज्वाइन होता है तो इन्फॉर्म कर लो थोड़ा. वेदिका.
Sir, me.
Me also.
हो गया.
Sir, me also.
Who? Me बोलो, नाम बोलो. हो गया वो.
Sir, Gopal.
था ना, पहले ज्वाइन था ना, अभी अटेंडेंस हो गया. डोंट वरी.
Sir, Rituparna.
सबका हो गया बेटा, एक ही क्लिक में सबको हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. हाँ. So next question, what? Let us go for the next. Third question. So x by a minus y by b is equals to 0 is a one equation. The other equation is ax plus by is equals to a square plus b square. So if you see here this equation little bit you can modify. If you see this equation with the denominator with the coefficients you are having. This question I think someone asked in the previous class. So let us see here now. So this is equals to, if you are doing the LCM here, denominator में a भी आ जाएगा. तो bx minus ay is equals to 0. So a भी इधर लेके जाओ. What will you get? Bx minus ay is equals to 0. This is first equation. This is second equation. Same pattern. Pattern is same. देखो इधर bx है here. Suppose if you want to eliminate. Find out x. If you want to find out x, y eliminate. If you want to eliminate the y, y coefficient should be same. Y का coefficient इधर a है, इधर b है. तो इसको a से multiply करो, इसको b से multiply. तो equation number 1 to be multiplied by b. As you are having different signs, add करना. Plus equation number 2 to be multiplied by a. Now what do you write here? B है. So ये इसको b से multiply करना है. B square x minus ab by is equals to 0 into b. 0 हो जाएगा. Next, second equation to be multiplied by a. A से multiply करना है. A square x.
The board is not clear.
What?
The board is not clear, visible.
Not visible.
Yes, sir. It is a little blurry.
तो sometimes बीच में network problem होगा. A square x plus aby is equals to, we are multiplying by a. So this equation we are multiplying by a. So a into a square plus b square. what to do here? Yes, adding is nothing but these two will get cancelled. So इधर क्या होगा? A square plus B square into x is equals to दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो A into A square plus B square. So now A square plus B square इधर लेके आओ. So A into A square plus B square by A square plus B square. So this will get cancelled. X is equals to A into A. As you are getting this one simple way, substitute कर लो in equation number 1. इसमें substitute करो. Equation number 1 क्या है? Equation number 1 bx x का प्लेस में a लिखना है. So ba minus ay is equals to 0. We need value y. So ये इधर लेके जाओ. So ay is equals to ab हो जाएगा. Y is equals to ab by a. ये लिख के कैंसिल y is equals to b. So x is equals to a, y is equals to b is the solution. X equals to a and y is equals to b is the solution. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? Clear है ना? It's not more difficult.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Any answer? बोलो.
B square x minus AB y equal to 0.
बराबर?
B square x minus AB y equal to 0. और उसके नीचे सर जो प्लस AB y है.
Your voice is not audible to me. Now you tell.
तो ये जो B square x minus AB y equal to 0 by sorry उसके नीचे सर A square x plus AB y equal to. तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है देखिए वो माइनस ए बी वाई और नीचे प्लस ए बी वाई तो यहाँ पे तो प्लस साइन माइनस साइन होना चाहिए ना
इधर नीचे.
सर.
So do remember, this is very important point, Yashika. Whenever you are doing here, already in the given equation, you are having the opposite signs.
Yes, sir.
When you are having opposite sign, you are adding here.
Yes,
Addition
sir.
you are performing, signs will not change.
Okay, sir.
When we need to add and when we need to subtract. Subtraction to be performed if you are having. Suppose I am eliminating y eliminate कर रहा हूँ. Suppose if I am eliminating y coefficient whatever you are having with the same sign if you are having. Y coefficient is with the same sign. Sign is same. So if you are having like sign same sign, then in that situation same sign होता है तो then you have to subtract because sign change करना. Here you have sign. Different sign means that's why we are adding here. Addition करना. So addition करते समय ये change नहीं होगा.
Okay, sir.
समझ में आया? Clear है? See here, while performing elimination method, sometimes in the previous problem if you see that we are subtracted and in this problem if you see that we are adding. Sir, when to add, when to subtract, we are having confusion. Some of the students may have the confusion, but do remember that very clearly. I am saying whenever you are having what eliminate, suppose if I want to eliminate here only I will tell you the instead of finding the y value like this, I can find the y value by eliminating x को मैं eliminate करना चाहता हूँ, x को eliminate करके भी कर सकते हैं. तो इधर ये बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
x को eliminate करना नहीं बट x क्या है इधर b है इधर ये है बट दोनों का साइन क्या है प्लस है. So दोनों को प्लस साइन है. So we need to subtract them by making the coefficients same coefficients लेके. तो इधर ये है इधर b बोलो तो इसको b से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये पूरा इक्वेशन को b से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो ये bx plus b square y is equals to b into a square plus b square. And this equation to be multiplied by a. ये इक्वेशन को a से मल्टीप्लाई करना. तो a से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो abx minus a square y is equals to 0. अब क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, बिकॉज these two are having the same sign, we are eliminating this one, so subtract करना है इसको, minus, so minus इधर plus इधर minus, so these two will get cancelled, b square minus b square plus a square हो जाएगा अभी, तो b square plus a square into y is equals to b into a square plus b square, अभी ये a square plus b square cancel होगा, y is equals to b. See here, if I want to eliminate x को eliminate कर रहे तो because x coefficient with the same sign you are having, x का coefficient same sign से है, so that's why we are subtracting, ये दोनों को subtract करें and इधर y, yes
सर हम लोग जो इक्वेशन 1 और 2 है उसमें हम लोग बार बार a से और b से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं?
वेरी गुड, क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आवर इंटेंशन इज टू मेक, आप क्यों मींस व्हाट वेरिएबल यू वांट टू एलिमिनेट, एलिमिनेशन करना है, एलिमिनेट करना इज नथिंग बट यू नीड टू मेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल सेम, वो वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट को सेम करना है बेटा. सपोज आई वांट टू एलिमिनेट y, पहले डिसाइड कर लिया, इधर मैंने y को एलिमिनेट करूंगा बोल के y एलिमिनेट कर दिया तो x आ जाएगा. If you eliminate y, then you will able to find out the x. So then eliminating y is nothing but y coefficient in this equation a and in this equation b. अब ये a है ये b है, दोनों को सेम करना. What you do? Obviously you need to multiply here b and here a. तो कंप्लीट इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, समझ में आया?
यस सर.
Okay? Is it clear to all?
Yes sir.
Okay. Next, the next problem is fourth one. Because elimination method, if you are trying only, these problems will be little bit easy. But if you try in a substitution method, तो completely गड़बड़ हो जाएगा ये problems में, especially. Okay. So now fourth problem, if you see that, what is the question given? It's looking very complicated. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab, and be careful here, minus b square is given. First equation, equation number 1. The second equation is given to you, a plus b into x plus y is equals to a square plus b square. So now here if you see the second equation, this is looking like a little bit in a different way, but not in a different way. Simple a plus b into x, a plus b into y is equals to a square plus b square. This is second equation. Now if you see here, already you are having y coefficient here and here same. Y coefficient same है ना दोनों में?
Yes sir.
Y coefficient क्या है इधर? A plus b. Here y coefficient क्या है? A plus b. So दोनों same है. So no nothing. Just directly subtract them, and they are having the same sign. इधर plus है, इधर plus है. यशिका concentrate. Plus sign है. इधर subtract करना. No need of multiplying anything because already y का coefficient here A plus b है, इधर A plus b है. Suppose in case if you are having here minus sign, then you need to add them, addition करना है, addition कर लिया तो directly cancel हो जाएगा. So if you are, as you are having here plus sign, you need to subtract them. So because subtract कर दिया तो ना ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So दोनों पहले देखो a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. And either a plus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to a square plus b square, which is in the brackets, better you write here. So now we are subtracting. As we are subtracting, signs will change. Please note down. So what do you write? These two will get cancelled. So here what do you write? A minus b minus half a plus b in the brackets x is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square in brackets minus a square plus b square. Now remove the brackets. So what do you write here? A minus b minus a minus b x is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square minus a square minus b square. Now here plus a square and a square will get cancelled. Now here plus a and a will get cancelled. So what do you get? Minus 2b. Minus 2b x is equals to. From this what do you get? Minus 2ab minus 2b square. Minus b square minus b square. Minus 2b square. So from this you can take the minus 2b common. Minus 2bx is equals to minus 2b common ले लिया तो a plus b. So minus 2b and minus 2b will get cancelled. X is equals to a plus b. X is equals to a plus b. If you want that x is equals to a plus b, you can substitute a plus b को इधर substitute करके कर सकते हैं. मैं y को eliminate कर दूँ. x को eliminate करना है तो ये थोड़ा और complicated हो जाएगा because x का coefficient दिया देखो a minus b है इधर a plus b है. तो इसको a plus b multiply करना है पूरा, इसको a minus b multiply करना है. So our equation बढ़ जाएगा. So the better option is to this one you substitute in any one of the two equations. किसी में substitute कर लो. x equal to a plus b. x equal to a plus b किधर substitute करते हैं? इसमें substitute करो equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 में substitute करो. तो a minus b coefficient है. x value क्या है? a plus b है. a plus b plus a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. a plus b a minus b क्या है? a square minus b square. तो a square minus b square plus a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. So plus a square, sorry, don't cancel like that. So take these two terms, you can cancel because same terms, these two terms को right side लेके जाओ. The same meaning है a plus b into y is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. ये plus a square right side गया, minus a square हो जाएगा. Plus b minus b square right side चला गया, plus b square हो जाएगा. So what do you write here? A plus b square minus b square, a square will get cancelled. So a plus b into y is equals to minus 2ab. So y value you need. So y is equals to minus 2ab by a plus b. So this is x value and that is y value. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And fifth problem also if you want. Erase करो और कुछ भी doubts होता है तो then you can ask. Okay. Sir, fifth problem is given with a very big coefficients. What to do? Fifth problem है 152x plus minus 378y is equals to minus 74. First equation. Second equation minus 378x plus 152y is equals to minus 604. This is second equation. So what to do in this situation? This problem to solve. In this problem, if you take into consider x value, better you substitute in y. Substitution method you use because if you are going for the substitution method, so what do you get here? x is equals to, if you are substituting in terms of y, by 152, no, that is also little bit complicated हो जाएगा. तो
सर
yes.
सर भाई वो adding and subtracting both the equations we will get two new equations, and then sir from there we can use any three methods.
Yes. That method you can adopt here. What can be done here? These two equations adding, because if you observe properly any equations in this situation, suppose if you are taking here 152 है, here 152 है, ये 152 x का कोएफिशिएंट है, इधर y का कोएफिशिएंट है, and here 378 है, इधर 378 है, ये y का कोएफिशिएंट है, इधर x का कोएफिशिएंट है. So you do that first equation and second equation add करो. So if you are adding, what do you get here? One new equation you will get in terms of the x and y. And by subtracting these two, so 1 and 2 add करने दो, ये दोनों को add कर लो, what do you get? 152 and 378 subtract करना है, because minus 378 is there. Wait for it. So 378 से 152 subtract करो, 6 2 2 226 minus 226 you will get x minus 226, and here if you see that this 378 है, here 152. So if you are adding these two equations, same 378 minus 378 plus 352, again minus 226, why you are going to get? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Now you are adding these two equations. So these two, if you are adding 604 and 74 add karo, so 678 minus 678, so which is equals to minus 678. So from this minus 226 you can take the common. Minus 226 if you take the common, then what do you get here? X plus y is equals to minus 678. So then from this x plus y is equals to minus 678 by minus 226. One equation you got. 226 3s are, yes, 26 3s are 78 you will get. Okay, so this 3 you are getting. So new equation is x plus y is equals to 3 you get. I am adding these two equations. And I am subtracting these two equations. Two equations को subtract करना. That means 152 को ये add करना पड़ेगा. Subtracting this number, इसका sign change हो जाएगा ना. So what you get here? These two will be. If you are adding these two, sorry, subtracting these two, and ये दोनों को add करना पड़ता है. So 378 and 152 add कर लो. 3 4 5 530 you get. So 530x and इधर दोनों को subtract कर रहे हैं, so इसका sign change हो जाएगा, minus 530 by you will get, which is equals to this minus this we are doing, so उसका sign change हो जाएगा, 604 हो जाएगा, 604 से 74 subtract कर रहे हैं, because positive वो positive हो जाएगा, ये negative as it is होगा, so what do you get here? 0 3 530 you get. So 530. So 530 common ले लिया तो x minus y is equals to 1. This is new equation. This is new equation. So this is you consider as a 3. This is you consider as a 4. Complicated numbers को easy numbers में बनाया. अब ये दोनों को solve करना easy है. So दोनों को solve कैसे करते हैं? X plus y is equals to 3. X minus y is equals to 1. So दोनों को add कर लो. Addition में sign change नहीं होता है. So 2x is equals to 4, x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 substitute in this. So y is equals to what you get? 3 minus 2, 1 हो जाएगा. Y is equals to 1. But normally if you substitute and do it also, it becomes elimination method normally use कर ले तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं, इधर 152 है, इधर 378 है, 378 कंप्लीटली इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बोल के सोचता है. So then in that situation the numbers will become very bigger numbers and situation becomes a very complicated situation. Okay, समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Still any more doubts?
सर
हाँ,
सर हम लोग यही 3.7 एक्सरसाइज में जो 7 क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट है उसमें भी तो ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं प्रोसेस से.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो भी ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. Because that numbers are yes, because in that situation if you see that the coefficients are given to you in a order, in that order. So not only that one, the first problem also you can do it like that.
ओके सर.
नंबर्स केस में थोड़ा इजी होता है, उधर उतना इजी नहीं है, सेम लेंथ होता है, वो भी कर सकते हैं, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम दैट वन. ओके
ओके.
okay, and still any more doubts if you are having in the next classes, you are going to have the classes, you don't worry about that.